Hey! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy M52 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this device. First of all, you need to find clock and tap on it. Now select alarm at the bottom left corner if it's not already on and tap on this plus icon. Now you can set up an hour, and when you're done, pick days of the week by tapping on the chosen ones. Then choose alarm name and type wherever you wish to. When you're ready, click on this blue icon at the bottom right corner of your keyboard and click on the switches next to all of those features to disable or enable them, like alarm sound, vibration and snooze. Then click on alarm sound. Over here swipe left or right to adjust the volume of it and choose ringtone. Now tap on allow and pick one of those melodies as an alarm sound by clicking at the chosen one and going back. But you can also choose ringtone, click on this plus icon at the top right corner and select music from your device by clicking on the song and choosing done at the top right corner. Then you need to go back and tap on vibration. Select one of those patterns for your alarm by clicking at the chosen one. Then go back and tap on snooze. Finally, you can pick how many minutes it will take and how many times it will repeat. When you're done, click save at the bottom right corner, and as you can see, my alarm was successfully added. You can turn it off completely by clicking on the switcher next to it and turn it back on the same way. If you wish to delete your alarm, you need to hold it, tap on delete at the bottom, and now it's gone. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!